Hello guys, welcome back to answer Kris Tomahu Jangan Khianati Aku. Okay, so this is originally sung by Azlan&The Typewriter. I think this is a group. I don't know, man. So do let me know. This is my first reaction on X Factor Indonesia 2024. I don't know much about this. This is Gala Live Show 1. Let's start this. Please subscribe for more content if you guys want me to react on more, Indonesian content. Let's start this.
Punah semua harapan bersama.
Okay.
Sekira kau larut dalam hati, aku menanti bayangmu kini. Andai yang kau nyata dalam mimpi.
Okay.
Ku rasa resah bila kau tiada, hadirmu mengubah sejuta rasa pedih.
His voice is very nice to my ears. This song has got its own vibe. The judges are enjoying this. Ooh. You guys know that I like this type of voice.
Seperti rembulan menemani di saat malammu. Yang memilih aku adalah dirimu. Jika benar itu jangan khianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu.
Dang, this guy is rocking. I don't know how the original song is sung by the singers, but I definitely know that he is nailing this. Yeah, man. I'm not going to watch the full video because I will not understand what they are saying. So yeah, let's just enjoy the performance. I really enjoy this. I think I will the crispy, I don't know what to say, the voice, he has the texture of his voice. I really like those type of voices. So yeah, man, I haven't listened to the original song, but I know that yeah, he has nailed this song. So do let me know your thoughts on this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe and share for more content. Peace.